Hi friends, today I just plan to cover the topic configuration of Azure's file system. It's a part of AZ104 Azure administration. Okay, so we will cover for whatever the learning object in the next slide. We will go for the next slide. So first we will cover for the, I will plan to divide this two parts. First we will go for manage file share, create a file share, compare files to blobs, and a demonstration of the file. The first section we will cover this one, and next section we will cover for the implement Azure file synchronization. Okay. So what is the file share? You already know your file share in the one premises, like you are using for the files in Windows Server. So same concept here, but it's different. You are using in the file share in the Azure storage account. Okay, then you can map the drive in your on premises computer or like in your server or whatever you know. Okay, so we will go for first. Azure file share is a subservice of storage account. And Azure file system support a traditional file structure. Is traditional file structure means you can save is like a file, make the file, then make the directory, and again make the directory. It's like a structure wise. But blob is not a structure wise; it's unstructured. Okay. So Azure file is managed by file share service connected to SMB and NFS connectivity. It's also SMB connectivity. The file share is using server message block. Okay. The file share support cross-platform Windows. It's also support the cross-platform Windows, Linux, Mac, and OS. Okay. Secure transfer is required for secure transfer. At least you need to use SMB 3.3 S0 above protocol, and also encryption. The data will be transit through HTTPS, and also you need to ensure that your port 445 will be open or not. Okay, because some case the port will be disabled through firewall. Okay, because it's most attack will be coming, the hacker will be access your security through open the port 4455. Okay, so just check this one. We will go for the next slide. Okay, so connectivity option, there are two connectivity option is available for portal. One for insecure connectivity, you can use SMB 2.0 below and HTTP. Okay, instead of HTTPS. Okay, but you need to secure connectivity using 3.0 REST API or data transit HTTPS, hypertext transfer protocol. Because, okay, I will explain this one. There insecure connectivity means you can use directly connect your Azure files, but is no one support, nowadays is unsecure is not supported. Because example I will tell you, you can, if this guy is this one is on premises, you can directly access through HTTP and SMB 2.0, but most commonly it's using for on premises. Your device will be on premises, you have no any issue, because no one get the access from the outside or anonymous. Okay, so but it's unsecure, but you need to security connectivity securely connect. You can use for SMB 3.1 above and 3.0 above, and the data will be transit through HTTP. Yes. Okay, so the two connectivity option is available in the Azure file share. Okay, so now I will just go for the our Azure portal, and I will show the demo how to you can make the file share and the connectivity. Okay, so we will go for now our Azure portal. We will reach our Azure portal, and we will go for our resource. Okay, then after that we will check our storage account. Yeah, here I am already create one storage account, so I just go for that storage account. And my previous video I already explained how to resource group make and how to you can make the storage account. Just go for the reference. Okay, so I directly go for our storage account, then we will make one file share. Okay, so just yeah, we will now go for our data storage, then we will go for our file share. Just click the file share and make one file share. Okay, okay, here we can click the plus file share. Then here you can give your name file share project. I just give the name project. So here next tier, you need to understand what is a tier. Why the premium will be not come? Because we are already make the storage account, we select the storage account type premium or standard. We select the standard, that's why premium is not come. Premium is like a SSD. If you have a more data needed to access continuously input and output, you can use for the premium service. Okay, so transaction provide enable a transaction heavy workload, they don't need to premium level latency, data application that require file storage as backstore. Okay, the hot optimized for general purpose of file sharing scenarios such as team share and file share. Because this hot tier you can optimize the sharing the files and like this one. And transaction optimize enable the heavy workload, like you need to first time you are using, then you can go for the transaction optimize. You have heavy workload using large amount of data will be transit in and out, you can use transaction optimize. And cool is like archive optimize online archive storage service. Okay, so now we will go for transaction optimize. Here maximum input out, egress rate 60 MB and ingress rate 660 MB, maximum capacity 5 TB, and large file share is large file share. If you can, you need to using the large file share and is like a video or image, please use for the block container. Okay, then just create. So just wait for the your file share will be created. Okay, so our file share is successfully created. Okay, so we will discuss this one. And here you can see in the connectivity, we can through connect active directory SMB and default share level level permission is defined. And soft delete means once you delete it, this auto can you can retain from this file is unexpected deleted 7 days is automatically. And the maximum capacity 5 TB and secure maximum compatibility. So just we will change our quota. You can change your quota. Just click here, edit quota. We need only 100,000. Okay. So we need only, okay. So because 5 TB storage account is available, but we will go only for now the edit our quota is like a 1000 GB. Okay. So what is next? We will just click our project file. Then we will upload one file. Just to go for upload, browse the file from your folder. I just upload one image now, screenshot. Yeah, then click upload. Okay, so now upload is successful. Okay, so here you can go for this one. Okay, your browse, you can just click to browse here. Yeah, you can see here your screenshot is already, and also you can need to add the directory. Just click and add the directory, project PR east US, whatever you name, you can create the directory. Okay, the like a file structure you can get, then you can upload also the file from that directory. Okay, just click this one, you can upload one file also there in the directory. So just click and open it, then upload. So directly also the file is uploaded. So now you understand how to make the file share and how to you can upload this file share. Okay, so next we will go for our connectivity part. Okay, just how to we can connect to this one. Don't see if Windows level connection. To connect to this Azure file share Windows, choose from the following authentication method and run PowerShell command for the normal PowerShell. Okay, so here you can see the two authentication method is available: Active Directory method and storage account key level. Okay, so I just know because this Active Directory level is out of the scope, I will not go for this but I will go for storage account key. How to, you can just go for the show script. Yeah, because here the problem you just mentioned, because some ISP service block your port 445, but you need to ensure that in your on premises area the port the 445 is open or no. Okay, so just we will copy this script, and here you can see the cmdc mdg, and the script also you can run. Okay, the no psd drive name is it. If you have already the some is is already there, you can change it. For here you can change whatever the directory letter you want. Okay, so also linux service also the show script is available. You can copy the script and run yours. And mac os also available, show the script. Yeah, here open smb this one and copy this one. Okay, here they mention TCP port 458 needed to be opened. That this command work. Your organization or internet service provider may be block port 45. Please work with your organization ISP to open the port 445. However, you may be use it. If you not you have port 445 you not use, you can use Azure site-to-site VPN or Express route, because Express routing directly your ISP connected with your Azure data storage. And okay, so site-to-site VPN also you can use for the SMB connectivity. Okay, it's like on premises. You can no need to connect the people to the outside organization. Okay, so once we will go for Windows, I will show you how to we can connect our shared drive. Okay, I just copy this show script. Okay, then I will run in the our PowerShell. Okay, so now we will open our PowerShell. In the that PowerShell script we will copy in the notepad. Then we will copy this one. After that we will run in the PSC PowerShell command. Okay, then we will go for here script. Then we will try to run this command. Okay, we will checking the connection. Yeah, the condition is added successfully. Yeah, see now our power script is successfully run. Okay, so now we will go for our file share. We will check the disk already mounted or not. Okay, just open for your file share, then you can go for this PC. Yeah, see now your file is mounted here. See the project is mounted here. You can see the difference. Your project before we are created one project file share is already now mounted here. Okay, okay, just to double click, you can see the folder already you can see, and you can see the screenshot whatever we have uploaded. So if you need to make one folder, just to go for create one folder, then put reto skip. Okay, so we will check the portal. That folder is already uploaded synchronized in our Azure file share. Okay, in the Azure portal. Okay, so now we will reach our Azure portal and we will check the storage account. The file, whatever the file we upload is already there or no. You just to go for your file share. Yeah, see the project, we open the project. We need to check that Rejo folder is already there or no. We just click the browse. Yeah, see the Rejo is automatically synchronized from your Azure portal. So now you understand how to you can connect your file share through your on premises device. How to you can synchronize. Okay, so now I go for wind up this topic.